Hello friends, back again with another tutorial. In this tutorial, a step-by-step guide how to fix. You can see reset this PC. There was problem resetting your PC. So if you guys are getting the error message while resetting your PC, there was any kind of problem resetting your PC, different method you can follow in this tutorial to fix the issue. So there are number of methods I'm going to guide you in this tutorial. One the either method will definitely help you guys. I hope help. So guys, let's begin with the method 1. Go to the search and type CMD. Give a right click on it. Run as administrator. Choose yes. Now you're going to type the command. Watch it in a full screen. It will be visible. Press enter key. Again type the commands. In place of disable, enable it back again. Press enter key to enable again. Now go to restart the PC. Reset the PC and it should be working now. If the problem is yet not fixed, let's proceed to the second method. Go to start and you're going to click on setting or give a right click on it, and here you have setting. You're going to choose update and security. Here you have recovery, advanced startup. Click on restart now. And this will take you to the advanced startup option. The another way to get to this page, advanced startup option, is you can see here is the shift key in your keyboard. Just hold this shift key. Go to the start. Click on this power icon and you're going to choose restart. So do not release, just hold the shift key and click on restart. And finally, you'll get this will take you to the advanced startup option. Now you can release the shift key. Sometime you won't be able to start your PC. In that case also, just click on advanced option and it will take you to the page with the advanced startup option. So once you get access to this page, in one the either way, you're going to choose Troubleshoot. And then you're going to choose advanced option and then command prompt. Once you click on command prompt, it might ask you to choose the username and password. So if you have a password for your username, so click on command prompt, it will take you to the page where it's going to ask you to select the user. Select the user. If you have a password, put the password and continue. And you'll get the page with the command prompt. Type the command correctly and press enter key. So you can find all the commands, even I have left a link in the video description with the step-by-step guide. So if you want, you can check it out. So watch it in a full screen, even these commands will be visible. Press enter key and it's going to show you the list of volume. So this one is my new volume, it's a work folder, it's a boot folder. So apart from that, I have a drive F and drive T, two different drives. So I have to find one drive with the system files like Windows and program files. So how do I check it? I'm going to type dir. So it's a D and drive F. D colon enter key. So you can see it has a no label and I do not have any kinds of system file inside it. Now I have left the F drive. So definitely new volume is not my system drive. New volume is not my system drive. Work folder G is not my system drive, and this is the boot drive. So one out of D and F must be my system drive. It must be a drive with the system file operating system installed. So right now I have checked D drive does not have a operating system file. Now I can type dir F colon. So F drive is right over here. So let me press enter key. Alright, you can see I have a program files, I have a recovery, I have a Windows 10 upgrade, so Windows files. So this is my system drive with the operating system installed. Now what I'm going to do next? Okay guys, now you're going to type it correctly without any spelling mistake. Watch it in a full screen, it will be clearly visible. Press enter key. So here you're going to see the F. So you're going to find your system drive, your drive later with the operating system installed, and you're going to replace this with your drive like I have done. You have seen it. So replace it with the drive. Maybe your drive is C drive or D drive or some other drive where you have installed the operating system. So mine operating system is in F drive. So once you are done with it, if the process, do not start scanning your system and you get the file like this. What you're going to do next? So mine operating system was in F drive. So I'm just going to type F colon enter. Now I'll type cd Windows. Press enter key. Now we are inside operating system F drive Windows directory. Again I'll type cd system32. System32. Press enter key. Now I am inside F drive Windows system32. Let me show you once again. I'll type F colon enter key to get inside F drive. Inside F drive I have my operating system. If you have your operating system in a different drive, you're going to put the different drive later over here and get inside that drive. So inside the drive I have a Windows folder where I have installed my operating system. Click on cd Windows to get inside Windows. Again cd system32 and I am inside F drive Windows system32. Now you're going to type the command scf / scan now and press enter key. Sorry guys, you can see I made a little bit mistake in the command, so I've been telling you again and again, you have to type all the commands correctly without any spelling mistake. So the command is like sfc / scan now. Do not do any kinds of spelling mistake. Click enter key. Now again system is not being able to scan the files. What you're going to do next? If your system is being able to scan the files, it's going to take some time to scan the files. Give it time to scan the file and then try to reset your PC. If the problem is solved, okay. If the problem still exists, come back to the same place and proceed with the next method. Alright guys, in second method we tried scanning. Now you proceed to the third method, we come back to the same place. It's advanced option. We choose Troubleshoot. Advanced option. On the top you have System Restore. You just have to click on this System Restore. You're gonna see, guys, currently I do not have any restore point. So if you do not have a restore point, proceed to the next method. If you have a restore point, you have to follow the wizard and you can restore your system. You can take your system to a week or a month ago, depending upon the restore point, when it was working fine, and you can try resetting your PC. So even if this do not help you, proceed to the fourth solution. Again, from the advanced boot option, you're going to choose Troubleshoot, advanced option, and then here you have System Image Recovery. So if you have a backup, if you have created a recovery image of your system, if you have a recovery image in your CD or a DVD, or maybe you have created a flash drive with a recovery image files, it's a backup files, you can insert it into your DVD drive and you can just follow the wizard and you can just recover your PC with the recovery image. This one was the next solution that you can try. Even if you do not have a recovery image file, let's proceed to the next solution. Go to the Start, give a right click on it and choose Setting. Update and Security. Windows Security. Device Health and Performance. Scroll it down. Additional information. And then click on Get Started to fresh start your PC. Click on Yes. You're going to see all the information. Click on Next. You can read everything. So it is going to remove some of the application. So read it properly and then continue it. So this is the next step that you can follow. Still the issue exists. Even you are not being able to fresh start your PC. Let's proceed to the next method. Select this PC in your computer, give a right click on it and then click on Properties. In Properties, you're gonna see Windows 10 Home Edition. You just have to make a note of your edition of your Windows. And then System Type, 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. So make a note of two things: your Windows edition, whether it is Home or Pro, and system architecture. System type is whether 32-bit or 64-bit, x86 or x64. Just make a note of it, and then you have to create a bootable USB flash drive or a DVD drive. You can follow the link in the video description. If you guys do not know how to create a bootable flash drive or a DVD drive, you can follow the link in the video description and then you can create one. So in order to follow this method, you have to create the bootable flash drive with the same edition of Windows and same system architecture. Now, once you have created your bootable USB flash drive for Windows 10 or a DVD, bootable DVD with a Windows 10, now you just have to insert the flash drive, bootable flash drive of a Windows 10 into your PC, or just put a DVD, bootable DVD into the DVD drive and try to boot from it. Now you start boot from the CD or a flash drive, bootable flash drive. Click on continue. Sorry guys, click on next. Once you click on next, you're gonna see over here, repair your computer. So you just have to click on this, repair your computer, at the bottom left corner. Now you're gonna choose Troubleshoot, advanced option, command prompt. So when you click on command prompt, it might ask you to select the user. If it asks you to select the user, you're gonna select the user and put the password for the user if you have a password. So click on command prompt, and once you put the username, select the user, it will give you access to the command prompt. Now you're going to type the command and press enter key. All the spelling should be correct. Watch it in a full screen, it will be visible. Or check the video description, follow the path, you'll find a step-by-step guide with the list of commands. Press enter key. Now it's going to show you all the list of drive that you have in your computer. So you can see currently I have a CD-ROM with a installation media. If you have a USB flash drive with the installation media, you're going to see over here as a USB drive as an installation media. Now this is the boot drive and this is my personal work folder, and now I have two different drives, C and D. So which one is the drive with the operating system? So let me check C first. dir C : enter. You can see C drive got recovery.txt and byte. It do not have a program files, Windows files and all other system files. So finally C drive is not the drive where I got my operating system. Now I'm going to check the D drive. So how do I check it? So dir D : enter. You can see Windows program files and everything. So this is the drive where is my operating system installed. Now just make a note right over here. So the drive where you got operating system is the D drive. So maybe your drive is different. This is the way how you can check and confirm where you got the operating system installed. And my installation media is F drive. So make a note of two different drive. Your operating system drive, where is your operating system installed, and your installation media drive. So in your case it might be different, so you just make a note of your installation media drive letter in your case. In my case, D and F. Now I'm gonna find the file install.est in my installation media. So my installation media is F drive. So I'm just going to get inside F drive, F : enter. Now you're going to type cd space sources, sources, and press enter key. Now I'm inside my installation media sources folder. Inside sources folder, I'm going to type dir, and let me check for the file install.est. So install.est starts from I. So everything is in alphabetical order. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, I is over here. Somewhere it must be over here. Okay guys, here I have install.est. So this is the file which I was looking for. So where it is inside F drive, inside source folder. Inside F drive I have a source folder. Inside source folder I got the file install.est. So you just have to make a note of it. Inside F drive, inside source folder, install.est. maybe different in case of yours. So this is the way how you can verify and check it out. Now we'll just go back to the X drive, press X colon enter. Now we are inside X drive source folder. What we're gonna do now you're gonna type the command correctly without any spelling mistake. So it is DISM space / get dash Vim info. It's a Windows information file / Windows information file. So this one is the Windows get Windows information file, and this one is the location of install.est. Previously I have shown you inside F drive, inside source folder, I have install.est. So you're going to replace it. So you're going to verify in your case where is exactly install.est, in which drive, source folder and install.est. So your drive letter may be different than F, because this is my installation media drive. Inside source folder I have install.est. I have shown you. So DISM get Windows information file from F drive source install.est. Press enter key. Now you're going to see, guys, currently I have only one indexed. So sometime you're going to see index 1, index 2, index 3. So you're going to see the number of index. Currently I got only one index. So you just have to type the another command. Now you have to create a folder inside the drive where you have installed the operating system. So we have checked previously, D drive was the drive where I have installed the operating system. Maybe your drive is the different drive. Make sure you confirm it. So make a directory, name is scratch in a D drive. Press enter key. So once you have done successfully, there is another command that you need to type. Okay guys, you're going to type all these commands correctly without any spelling mistake. So it is DISM / image D. So D is the drive where I have my operating system. You can see I have guided you above. You have to make a note of two different drives. One is the installation media drive, and one is the drive where you have installed the operating system. So make sure you have confirmed. So D is the drive of operating system, and then backslash, again space / clean up image, space / restore health, space / source est. Now what is the source for the est files? Is the F drive, the installation media source install.est. I have guided you above. You have to just make a note of this file where exactly is the location of the file install.est. So inside installation media F drive source, I have a file install.est. So I have guided you above how to get it. So in your case, this drive letter might be different if the operating system is installed in C drive or G drive or some different. And this may be different if your drive, installation media drive that you are using is F drive, H drive or some other drive. So check it and confirm it first, as I have guided you above how to check and confirm. So this is the source file, and you're going to see over here :1. So on the top, when you type a command and we got the index for 1. Sometime you'll be getting the multiple number of index as index 1, this one, index 2, again you'll be getting index 3, again you'll be getting, so sometime you'll be getting a multiple number of index. So you're going to use, currently I have only one index, so I'm using 1. So instead of 1, if you have a multiple number of index, if you have index 2, even you can use index 2. Now you have a scratch. dir, scratch is the folder we have created above. You can see we have made a directory inside the D drive where I have operating system installed. So inside D drive I have created a folder scratch. So this is scratch, dir inside D drive, scratch, and limit access. Press enter key. So this process might take some time. You can see I'm getting the error. Did not recognize the command line option dir/scratch. So I've told you guys it is case sensitive. there should not be any kinds of spelling mistake. So I've done a spelling mistake over here. It's a scratch dir. There should not be a space over here. Now you can execute the command. See if it executes. So you can see it is executing now. So this might take some time. So give us some time to execute the command. So you can see command was executing. I still got the error message. The source option is not recognized in this context. For more information, refer to the help. So if you are getting the successful, if the commands boots successfully, and you just have to go back and try resetting your PC, it should work fine. If you are getting the error message, if this also do not work, the final step is to do the clean installation. So before we go with the final step and guide you guys how to do the clean installation, try this method. It is really very helpful. And if you don't have a critical error, if your recovery image files are not very much corrupted, this method should work. And when you type all the commands correctly, even I've left the commands, all these commands, you can follow the link in the video description. There is a step-by-step guide. You can make a note of all these commands from there. So if you type all these commands correctly, and if the steps works fine, it successfully executes the command, it should be working, and you must be able to reset the PC. So finally, if this also do not have, let me show you how to do the clean installation. So we proceed to the next method, the final method, the clean installation. You're going to type exit to exit it. Click on continue. So now you can boot from the CD manually the clean installation. That is only the final step that you can follow. So in order to get this boot menu, depending upon the device you are using, in some device you might have to press the F12 key. In some device you might press the escape key. Just start your computer, shut down your computer, you can start it. As soon as you press the start button, keep on pressing escape key. In some device, keep on pressing F12 key. So depending upon the manufacturer, it's a different function key. So for most of the device, escape key and F12 key works. So select. So currently, if you have a pen drive, if you are trying to boot from the flash drive, bootable flash drive, you're going to go with the removable. I'm trying to boot from the CD, DVD. So select it and press enter key. So it's going to take some time. So boot from CD, press enter key to boot from CD or a DVD. Even for your flash drive, it's going to show you the option boot from CD or DVD. After 1 or 2 dots, just press enter key and it will take you to the boot menu. So it starts booting. Just give us some time to start. So once it started, you're gonna select all the options, language and everything. Click on next and finally click on install. So it will take some time. Setup is starting. You can read the license, accept it and click on next. You have a multiple number of options to choose. Whether you want to upgrade, it's good to choose custom install. In custom install, you're gonna see, so if you have created a number of partition where you have a personal file, this is the file, this is a partition where I got a personal files, so I'll do nothing to it. It won't harm my personal file. So it's 100 MB, a kind of system reserve, and this is the primary partition where you can install the operating system. So at first we format the system reserve file and we format it. Select the partition 2 of the primary partition and click on next. So depending upon your will, you can choose the drive where you would like to install it, whether you want to clean everything, your personal file, delete or keep, it depends on you. So guys, it will take some time. This is the clean installation. So there is the no way, if none of the method works, this is the final step you can follow, the clean installation. So give some time to install. Alright guys, during installation your computer will restart several times, so don't worry. Your computer will restart several times in the middle and everything will get ready. So once done with the installation setup, so everything will go on automatically, and finally you'll come over here. So click on skip this step if you want to skip, or you can just put the password for your Wi-Fi and use this express setting. You can see here you have use express setting. So we are using the express setting, and just a moment and everything will get ready. Okay guys, you'll please see we'll restart again, and you are almost done with the final installation now. Okay guys, we are completely done with the clean installation. Your Windows is all the way ready to use now. Alright guys, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment if this video was really helpful.